Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the text size bigger on your Windows 11 computer. And you can do this a couple different ways. Let's go down to the Windows Start button, and then go to Settings right here. And the first thing that we can try doing is going through System, go to Display, scroll on down, and we're looking for Scaling. Change the size of text, apps, and other items. So this will change all the sizes for all the different applications and text at the same time. So if I go to 175%, you can see everything is much larger. Otherwise, I can drop it down to really small, just like that. I'm going to use 150%, and then you can change the resolution here too. But now we can go on down to where it says Accessibilities, and then we have text size right here, text size that appears throughout Windows and your apps. So for this, we can just specifically change the text size. So we can make it really, really big if we want. So we can go to like 115%, apply this. It says please wait, and all the text is now changed. So we can change the applications with scaling, and then we can change the text through the accessibilities menu. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.